Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai Accent Active, stock reference number 4305. The shape runs from the 7th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which has one small dent. This vehicle's got a set of aftermarket SSW alloy mags in a 14-inch, with the right left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear SSW 14-inch aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear SSW 14-inch aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door, one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 14-inch SSW alloy mag with a good tyre, sold as a set. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.